Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police on when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And to all my peoples in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby, baby.
Knowledge, background, and passionate thinkers from all parts of the world, plunging into the ideas from Seoul to Beijing.
I suppose I should give a little context as to what have happened today, tonight. Our teacher from the university, our finance teacher, asked us to attend a certain event some kind of foreign university has organized, and we had no idea. We, the students, had no idea what's gonna happen, but what happened is what I expected. A Beijing Foreign Studies University, a representative from the university, came here to Kazakhstan to, invite some Kazakhstani students to Beijing, to study international business and stuff. It was quite a fun presentation. I liked it a lot, although they had major technical problems. With the video, the audio was lagging, and it's such a typical problem. It should have been easily solvable, but I don't know. The microphone was I've heard interesting stuff about Beijing Foreign Study Universities and the International Business School. The teacher suggesting us to apply for, well, not apply to, but think of applying, consider it, applying to postgraduate program. Grow some networking, learn some Chinese culture if you have never been to China and stuff like that. It was pretty fun. Nothing extraordinary, but yeah. I've never heard of BFSU, and I wonder if it's a mousetrap, if you know what I mean. As to what they say, everybody knows about BFSU and stuff like that. It has lots of partners from America, Great Britain and stuff. I don't know. If you have ever heard about BFSU, I'm gonna link them below. Or if you're considering to going to China, the most fun part is that they say that you study in English, in pure English, not English on paper.
I can't translate into American English yet, but I can translate into French, German, Italian, Mandarin Chinese, and Spanish.
Good to know, but I didn't call you. If you're considering applying to master's degree, here's an option. Go to China. They provide education in pure English, not English on paper, as to what I was saying. Certain universities, especially here in Kazakhstan, they say they're teaching in English, but in reality, a local teacher providing course material to local students, it sounds it's almost well, we can easily speak in Russian, why don't we just speak in Russian, It's easier for me, it's easier for you, and stuff like that. They say that's not gonna happen in China, in Beijing Foreign Studies University. And on top of it, you can learn Chinese, of course, and you can learn like other language. They provide like 86 or 84 language courses, and one of the Kazakh students in there, I think he learned like 4 foreign languages, not including, you know, Russian and Kazakh, because, you know, so that was it. Kind of funny.
Funk Master Flex, love bug star ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.